Hi, I'm Samantha Christopherson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. I'm really excited to be here and be talking to you about journaling, about my experiences of journaling, and why I built out courses and blogs and content workshops around journaling. It's because I've been doing it since 2008, seriously. I took my first backpacking trip. This is my journal here. It was 37 days. I put everything in here. I doodled in this journal. I didn't have a system around it. I just knew I liked doing it. And I love looking back at my journals, reading them, and reflecting on who I was and what I was writing about and where I was. I also love physical, tangible things. I've always liked drawing. So naturally, I was drawn a little bit to journaling. What I wanted to share with you is that over the past year and a half, I've been practicing a daily gratitude journal. It's been a really great tool for me to get my mindset ready for the day, to be a little bit more positive, and to help me when I'm in those periods of feeling a little bit down or a little bit up. It's a great reflection tool. And recently I was given the opportunity to build out a workshop live with people to teach them about bullet journaling. So I've been spending the last 5 days just intensively looking through bullet journaling, learning from people online, learning from the creator, writer Carol. And there were some things that I was really frustrated about. I started 3 different journals before I found this last one that I've built out. And it's because, along the way I would encounter hiccups and I was like, wow, I wish I had known about that before I got started. So as an organizer, I wanted to put this together for you, share this content, share my frustrations, and hopefully give you a recipe to be able to build out your own bullet journal without having any of those, mishaps along the way.